So here we have the Ford Fiesta on a 20 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside though, you can see it's a 3-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. Let's start off in the boot and work our way around the rest of the car from there. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60-40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of the car from there. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in lovely condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, we have the rev counter. We have the speedometer on the right-hand side. In the middle at the bottom, the fuel gauge and coolant temperature gauges, above which you will find the trip computer. In the top left-hand corner, first of all, are the total miles of this car. They are 47,927. We have a digital readout for the speedometer, as you can see. You can change that information. So you've got trip computer, vehicle settings, your telephone, audio, driver assist menu, and then back around to the beginning again. And the buttons that I was using to do that are just here. We have stereo and phone controls beneath that. And over on the left-hand side, stereo controls continue, and we have a speed limiter as well. In order that you can use the phone controls, you need to pair the phone up to the car, which is done just here. Hit add phone.
Search for Ford Fiesta on your device and select Ford Fiesta once it is found.
And just follow the instructions on screen from there. Back out to the home screen, we have our audio menu where you can see we have AM, FM and DAB radio, as well as Bluetooth audio. This car's also got 2 separate USB inputs, so if you plug devices into those, they'll appear up there as well. We have the volume for the stereo and then the air conditioning, so you can adjust the fan speed, the direction of the air, the temperature of course. The air conditioning's on at the minute, that's off, back on. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly, depending on the temperature you've set just here. We have a heated rear screen, heated front screen, a 12-volt charging socket, and one of the 2 USB inputs I mentioned a moment ago. We have a 6-speed manual gearbox, and then these buttons here. So we can turn off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. That system is off when that light shows. We can also turn off our traction control and change the driving setup of the car from normal to eco or sport. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Mach 1 Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.